Yes. Okay. Hare Krishna, Madhav, Tushita. Okay, we will start the class. Okay, because we are going to. What did you say, Tushita? Hare Krishna. Okay, we are going to have fun week, right? Yesterday you did drawing. Today we are going to make a craft. So, let us start with the class, okay? So that, we can complete and I can see all of your crafts. No. Okay? Everybody together. Okay? Om
चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यनामोऽस्तेन भूतले स्वयं प्रदान्तिकम् नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे
वीडियो
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे
हरे राम
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे कृष्ण हरे हरे राम राम
राम हरे राम
कृष्ण
हरे राम
कृष्ण कृष्ण
हरे कृष्ण
हरे राम
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम हरे राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
So what are we going to do today?
Hare Krishna Mataji, Pallavi.
Hare Krishna, Palvi. Okay, I will stop the screen share right now because I'm going to show you something. What are we going to make today? Do you all know? What are we all going to make today? Yes.
Cow.
Cow. We are all going to make cow today. So for that, can you all get your white paper? You know, I had sent a message. White paper, a pencil, Subhadra, then scissors, then glue. You should have everything. Okay? You can get your white paper. Yes. Can you all get your white paper? Oh, Palvit has a paper plate. For those who have paper plate, they can have paper plate, or if you have white paper, get your white paper.
White paper and then what?
You need scissors. If you're going to do a craft, you need scissors, you need glue, and you need a pencil.
Mataji,
Yes.
I have white paper and
Paper plate.
paper plate.
Yes.
This color paper and scissors and glue.
Okay. But you need a pencil too. We need to have a pencil also, guys.
Black marker. Again.
Okay. And then if you have black markers, you need to have black markers too. But let's start.
What do we need again, Mataji?
That, please.
Mataji, what do we need?
Do we? Okay. If you, Subhadra,
I got my pencil.
you need to have pencil. You need to have scissors. You need to have a white paper. Okay. And then if you have
And
a
a black
paper
marker.
plate, get a paper plate also, white paper plate. Okay. And glue. A pencil, marker. Okay, so just first get your white paper and scissors and a paper plate if you have. Okay, that's all you need to have right now. So once you have it, let me know, then I can show you next step. Okay, so
I should have a paper plate.
if you have a white paper plate, that is fine.
I don't have white paper plate, so can I use the back?
Yes, you can use the back of the white paper plate. Yeah, we can use the back. Okay, so those who have paper plates, cut it into half so that you get a semicircle like this. I don't have a paper plate. So cut your paper plate into half so that you get a semicircle. You want to cut it, Subhadra?
Okay.
For those who don't have paper plate, guys, can you see? Can you make a semicircle on your paper, white paper? Can you make a semicircle?
I want to put mine.
Yes, Kushika, you're
I
going
got mine.
Those who have, those who have white paper plate, they can cut it in half. Those who don't have the white paper plate, what you can do is, in your white paper, you can draw this semicircle. Can you all see the semicircle?
Yes.
Yes, yes, okay. Everybody, yes. Palvit, cut it into half. Very good. So keep one half. Okay. Yes, Janvi. Those who don't have white paper plate, you can just make a semicircle in your paper like I made because I don't have white paper plate. Okay, and then Subhadra is going to cut it for me. Janvi, you don't have to cut the edges. I just want you to cut the paper plate into half. It does not matter. It's okay. Why? Who is that? Kavya, very good. Yeah, cut it. Cut the semicircle. You can cut the semicircle, Kavya.
After I have the semicircle, what do I do?
Okay. Once everybody has a semicircle, we will go to the next step. We are going to make now the face of the cow. Okay?
What?
Face of the cow. This is the body of the cow. So keep it aside. Once we get everything, then we are going to assemble it. Okay? So once you have that, the semicircle, that's the body of the cow. So keep it aside. Now we will make the face. Tarun, are you making, Tarun?
Yes.
So did you make the semicircle?
Yes.
Okay.
Please eat all the fruit.
Okay, now see, everybody has a white paper, right? Okay. So either see, you can use the white paper for this, or you can use the, the white paper plate also to make the face. Whatever is easy for you. Okay, whatever is easy for you. So now I will show you how to make the face. See guys, can you see here? What does it look like? First you make a U and then you make like a small hill, right? Like an A or a small hill on the top. That's how you make the face of the cow. See, you make a big U. See how the U is? Make a big U and then you make the small hill or like, A. So that is the face of the cow.
We have to cut it?
No, don't cut right now. Just wait.
I already cut my paper, so that's what I have to do.
Who was that?
Me.
Okay, Pritu, you already have the body. Now we are making the face of the cow. Can you make the face like this? Can you see? Can you see? I made a U.
That's
See,
not a big.
make a U either on the paper
Well,
plate
do
or
we need
the white
marker
paper.
or anything? Do we need a marker or anything?
You don't need a marker. I used a marker so that you all can see. If I do with the pencil, nobody can see. So I use the marker to show you. You can do with a pencil. You don't have to use a marker.
Yes.
Yes, Jahnavi. Okay, yeah, Jahnavi. Okay. So everybody. Okay, Kavya, we are not making like this. Can you make little bit? See how it looks like an A, right? A small A, yeah, on the top. Don't make a circle. See, I did not make a circle. If you are done with this, then I can show you the next step for the face of the cow. After that, you can cut.
But
Yes, Pritu.
can
Yeah,
we do
very good.
anything on? We can make anything on the face.
Yeah, I will show you what we can make, and it will look like a cow. Okay, let me go to the next step. See, we are not cutting. See, center of the cow, you see this? Have you seen the cow? On the center of the head of the cow? So we are making this mark. Can you all see, guys? In the center. Yes? Yeah, Pritu, very good. Vrinda, Tarun, Balavrinda, Gaurangi, yes. Very good, yeah.
Mataji
Janvi, yes.
Mataji Janvi's done.
Yeah, I saw Janvi. Tushita, did you do the face? You are sleeping body. Nice, Kavya. Tushita, are you? Oh yeah, okay, on the face. Yes, did you do the see? Did you do something in the center on the face? Okay, now guys, listen very carefully, okay? You have to make here a dot. See, I'll show you. Can you see the dot? Is the dot visible?
No.
No. No.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, you have
Trying
to
to make. See, can you make two dots like this? See, it should not be very near. See how I've equally spaced from here. See.
Can you just give me 1 second? I just need 1 minute. I'm not able to make a dot. Okay. Yeah, I'm done.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now I have to make a line from this dot to the bottom. So see very nicely and do very carefully. Okay. See, can you see, guys, how I made from that dot to the bottom? Yes. Guys, is everybody doing it?
Mataji?
Yes. Ritu, good. Yes. Janavi, yeah.
Balavrinda.
Okay. Yeah, Balavrinda. Yes. Okay, Vrinda. Yes. Okay. Now, okay, what you can do is either you do right now or, after some time, we are coloring all this part black. This part black because we are going to stick eyes. We are going to stick the eyes, white eyes. So you can do this part black. Either you can do now or, let's proceed. You can do after some time. Let's cut everything and then you can do. So this is the face part we need to cut. Let me cut it and then you can do the black.
Okay, ma.
Cut everything and then we can assemble it and then we can color it. That marker we have here, Sharpie we have. We can use it. I don't
Is
have.
it? Is it?
Cut the face, guys. I'm cutting the face.
Okay, Mataji, I'm cutting the face.
After you cut the face, I will teach you the ears and the horn. And then, we can assemble everything together. You can do the black part and then that will be your cow, not much. Just the ear, horn, legs and the tail. It's all very easy. Everybody cut it. Everybody cut the face.
Okay.
You can take one more? No, this is the one. You can show it. Yeah.
Krishna Mataji, can you see it?
After everybody's done.
Yeah, okay.
Until
Yes,
you know.
yes, Vrinda. Yes. Once you are done, if you have, still others are doing, if you have black marker, I told you where you should do black. This part, let me. The small thing that we put on the cow's head, that you should do black. Okay, that you should do black.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. You
If
should
you
do
have
that
also, if
also,
you have
black.
black marker, you can either do it right now till others are doing. Okay, see.
Okay, Mataji. I'm going to use this.
See, I did black. See this.
Okay.
Mataji, this is Balavrinda.
Yes, Vrinda. Yes, very nice. My God, my marker is not working. See, this portion also we need to do black. This and this. We need to do black. But we don't have black marker.
Mataji.
Yes. Who is that?
Janvi.
Where is Janavi? Oh yeah, very nice Janavi. Yes.
Oh my God.
Color, yeah. If you have color,
Mataji,
black
should we
color.
color these sides black?
Yes, yes. If you have color or marker, do it black.
All of it?
No, see. Subhadra, let me show them. Subhadra, let me show them once. Give me 1 minute. See, this part. Can you see? This part and this part. Leave the space in the center. Yeah, Vrinda.
Now.
Okay, now, if you are all done, then we can go to the ears and the horn.
Mataji, I did all of it, so I just did like this. Okay, Mataji?
Who is that? Yeah, yeah, okay, okay, Vrinda.
It's not me. It's
It's
not.
not Vrinda. Yeah, who is that? It's Kavya. Okay. Yeah. So once you are done with that, we can go to the ears. If you are done with the black, let me know. We can go to the next
I'm
one.
done. Look at mine. I'm done with the black.
Can you see the ears? Can you make the ears like this? Can you see how I've
This
made
is
it?
mine.
Who is that?
Can you put it closer?
Where is-
This is
Yes, Pritu. Yeah. Can you make that black? Did you make it black? See, like this.
With time.
Okay. Can I see the ears?
Yes.
With
This is the ear. See, like this we make the black, and this is the ears.
it confuses the people, Mataji, because already.
Okay, Mataji, Balavinda is doing.
Wait, let me show them the ears before you cut. Let me show them the ears. See, this is the way you have to make two ears.
Here.
No. Ear.
Bhadra, you should color nicely, right?
Draw ears like this.
Okay. Mataji, this is Balavinda.
Yes. Okay. Once you are done with the ears, let me
This
show
is
the horns.
Janavi. Mataji.
Like
Yes,
this.
Pritu.
Ears like
Do
this.
you also need glue? Do you also
Hello?
need glue?
We will glue it first, cut everything, then we can glue everything together. Let's just cut all the pieces, then you can glue it.
Okay, Mataji.
Otherwise, you know, you have to glue, then cut and glue and cut. I just want you to cut everything, keep ready, and then glue it.
Pulling it in. I'm not pulling it in.
So did you make the ears? These are the two ears.
First, yes, I did. Then I'll do it.
You can let's just cut all the parts and keep and assemble it. Then you can color it. Okay, it won't take a lot of time for coloring it.
We have to cut this.
Okay, once see, and then let me show you the horns as well.
Keep that cow aside, Vrinda. Vrinda, the cow that mommy made, keep it aside.
See, these are the two ears and these are the two horns.
Properly.
If you make two ears and two horns, then cut it.
The tail you put.
Honestly, what does the horn look like again?
Wait, let me
Okay.
show properly. Show properly.
Mataji, how does the horns look?
Can you see the horns at the bottom? These are the horns. Can you see here? Like the triangles?
Yeah, I can see Mataji.
Yeah.
With
The
the tail.
upper part are the two ears and these are the two horns.
Okay, Mataji, this is mine. Mataji, look at my ears and my horns. Mataji,
Yeah, very good. Now cut the ears and the horns. Cut them.
Mataji, Balavinda is cutting the horn and ears.
If anybody wants to see the horns or the ears, let me know. I will show you. And if you're done, then cut it.
I'm cutting it, Mataji. I'm going to cut it. Oh my gosh, no, my paper's flying away. You don't have to color it.
Yes, you can color it black. Only the ears, we are coloring it black.
Only the
Yes.
ears you're gonna color black?
Yes, the ears, not the horns. Horns, we are keeping it white. Because everything we color black, you know, it will not look good. You can have brown horns. That is up to you. But we are coloring just the ears. Okay?
This is my horn. This is my horn.
Yes. Okay. Okay. If you have cut all the parts, then let us do the assembling. Okay? Then the legs and the tail are very, very easy. It's not much. And we have to have the mouth also, right? Yeah.
I'm coloring the horns brown. Oh, I'm still cutting the ears and the horns. And I cut all the pieces.
Okay. If you have cut all the pieces, Now let's
Now I have to cut.
see. This is. Can you see? We are going to put the body and the face like this. You tore it. That's okay. We take this body. If you have got
Do the body now.
yes, let us take the body to the face. See, can you stick it like this? See the body to the face. Stick the body to the face.
Can I see the body and the face again?
See. We color it later, Subhadra. It is coming at Okay, now can I show you the horns and the ears?
Like this.
Wait. Right. Yes,
Mataji, this is Balaganda.
yeah, Balavrinda, very good. Yes.
Why should we not? When will we put the eyes?
I'll tell you. First, let us stick the parts we have right now. Because we are going to make white eyes. Then in the center, you can make it black. See, this is the horn. See, this is the horn. Subhadra, can you give me? See, this is the horn. See, can you see the horn?
Yes, Mataji.
Horn. Where is the horn?
Mataji, can I see the horn? Can I see the horn?
Yes.
Mataji. Mataji. Can I see the horns, Mataji?
Yes. Can you see? Oh my God.
Mataji.
Yes.
So now can I color inside it because I finished my ears and my horns.
Where did you put your ears?
They're running with horns. These are my horns. These are all
Horns
of
are
it.
like this. Horns are like this. Guys, can you all see?
The horns and the ears are right here, but you can't see it because I made it tiny. I made it small. That's why.
That's okay. Can you stick the horns? Then you can color it. The coloring is not going anywhere. If you don't stick it, you might not know where to stick it. See, these are the horns. And let me the ear. Let me place the ears. See, the ears will be like this.
Okay.
The ears, they are on the side. See. Yes. See, can you all see? My ears are on the side and horns are in the center. Can you all see?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we have to see, once you're done with this, 2 small white eyes you can stick here. If you have googly eyes, that's well and fine. If you don't have, then just cut a small round white paper, like the way I'm cutting. And then stick it.
Can I draw?
How can you draw white on the black, Subhadra? You cannot draw white on the black. You cannot draw. If you're already... Show me. Let me stick it. Here.
Mataji, this is Balabrinda.
Yes. Very nice. See, this is the eyes. And make the black dot in the center. See, the horns, the ears, and the eyes. Yes, Palvit, very nice. So like that, yes. Is everybody able to do it?
Yes, Mataji.
I can hear Balabrinda very clearly.
Yes, Mataji.
Janvi?
Yeah.
Jahanavi and Vrinda are friends, Mataji. If you can hear one voice, the other voice automatically pop-ups.
Yeah.
See, this is the eyes, okay?
Okay.
Is everybody done sticking the horns and ears and eyes?
No.
No?
No.
Because I wanted to show you the mouth of the cow too. You know, mouth of the cow? If you have a pink paper, you can use a pink paper. If you don't have a pink paper, then you can just use the white and color it with pink. See, does it now look like a cow?
Yes.
Yes. See, if you have a pink paper, what you need to do, you know, what is this? This shape. It's not circle. It's oval or ellipse, you can say. And then cut it and then put, like for the nose, we put 2 lines. And then you stick it here. Can you all guys do that? Can you do the next step if you're done with the ears and the horns?
I'm not done. I'm not
You have to
done.
cut like this. If you have a pink paper, it's okay. If you don't have, then just cut the white paper and then you can color it pink. Or you can leave it as it is. But if you have pink, it looks very good.
Mataji, can I use yellow?
Okay, you want to use yellow? Okay. Everybody you should give your cow a name. You know, Krishna had how many? 9 lakh cows, and each one of them, they had a name. And you know what, Krishna, when they used to go for grazing, right, pasturing, then Krishna, how would he call all of them? You know, he had a flute sound for each one of the cow. He would not call all the 9 lakh names. He would just play his flute.
In one of the stories in the Krishna stories, I heard like Krishna called each and one of their names and the cow moved.
Yes.
Can I show my cows? I have 3 cows.
Oh my goodness, Balavrinda. Kavya, wow. Oh, Kavya, you see, this part should come, Kavya. Can you just fix that? This part, it should not be up. The straight part should come up. You think you can remove that and correct it, Kavya?
Okay, Mataji. I'm going to take this out of here and put it over here.
Yeah. Thank you, Balavrinda. Okay, now let's make the legs. Let me show you the legs. It's not very difficult. See, we can all be done. It's very easy. Yes, very nice, Palvit. Okay. Okay, now let us all make the legs and the tail. Let me show you the legs and the tail. Subhadra, can you hold this? Very nice, Palvit. Let's make the legs and the tail. You know, 4 legs, just 4 small stripes of paper. See, legs are very easy. See, I'm just taking, see, 4 paper like this, you know, 4 strips of paper. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And all you need to do is you just cut here, make a V, and then stick it like this. See, 4 legs. Can you make 4 legs like this? 4 strips of paper.
Mataji, I'm not done with the mouth.
You're not done with the mouth?
Yeah.
See, you can all have black patches on the cow. You know, you can do your own coloring. See, this is the leg. Okay. Can you all see the leg?
Yeah.
We-
Yeah, I always do that when I draw a cow.
Oh, yeah. Let me stick the 4 legs and the tail. I will show you. These are the 4 legs.
Thank you.
Let me show them where to stick it. Those who are, please see, these are the legs, 4 legs. See, 4 legs, 4 strips of paper. Just 4 strips of paper you need to cut and stick. I'll show you where we are sticking it.
Mataji, this is Balavinda.
Wait.
Where's my
Yes, Balavrinda. Very good. See, 4 strips of paper. I'll show you where I'm going to wait. Wait, not in the front. We stick at the back. See, we stick, the leg should not be visible, okay? We are sticking at the back, not in the front. We are sticking at the back.
Mataji.
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay, put.
I just
Here.
and
Can you put blue?
this.
See, 2 legs are like this. Can you see? 2 legs are like this here and 2 legs will come here.
Okay.
Can you stick Subhadra? Can you stick here?
Oh my
Here,
gosh.
here.
Everything is floating away. Showing.
Put the blue here, here.
Mataji, this is Balavinda.
Did you make the leg for the cows? I don't see the leg. Her legs are too small. How is the cow going to walk, Balavrinda? How do you think it's going to walk? Is it sitting?
Look at my cow nose. I did my cow nose.
See, these are the 4 legs. Can you see the legs of the cow?
Look at the face, Mataji.
Who is that? Pritu?
Yes.
Where are you? Yes, very nice, Pritu. Very good.
Big pieces.
Can you see 4 legs of the cow, guys?
Oh gosh. Yes, Mataji. I can
Good,
easily make it.
Very
I
good.
can
If you all-
easily make eyes with my pencil.
Okay, that's good. You can be creative. You all have great ideas. You know, I'm just giving you my idea. You can improvise on it. Okay, and then our Subhadra, hold it. Our
No, I
tail.
need to do
You know,
that.
tail is also very, very simple. See, guys, we have only 5 minutes. I just want to show you. See, you have tail, right? So you just make slits at the end. See, make some slits at the end. Okay, and then you can color the tail, end of the tail also black.
Yeah.
See the tail, I'm going to stick the tail. Yeah.
Where's the black marker?
Where will you stick? Here, here, here.
Oh my gosh, everything's
Yeah,
floating away.
like this.
Definitely not my cow.
See, can you all see, guys? This is my cow or Subhadra's cow, Hamsi. I call it Hamsi. Yes. See, this is, can you all see the tail and the legs?
Mataji, I want to. My cow's name is Hans too.
Oh, very good. Please, everybody, you should all give your cows some name, okay?
Mataji, can you say that yesterday they brought Krishna, right? They can put Krishna and the cow together now.
Yeah,
One
Krishna.
butterfly, we have everything there.
Wow, yeah, see, you can make Krishna standing near the cow, right? Krishna is always surrounded by cows, isn't it? Wow, yes, you drew Krishna and today we made cow. See, Mataji gave such nice idea. You know, in one paper, big paper, you can just cut and stick both of them. Wow, that will be so wonderful.
I'll make Krishna. I'll draw Krishna and color it, and then I'm going to stick Sarabi and Krishna on a paper.
Okay, does anybody want to share their work? We have 3 more minutes. Kavya.
Mataji Balavinda wants to show mine.
Okay, where is that?
Mataji wants to show mine.
ఊడిపోయింది బృందాని లెగ్ ఊడిపోయింది.
Mataji, I'm not finished, but here's how I did it.
Oh, very nice. Just do the legs and the tail and you will be done. You can make some
I'm almost done. I just have the tail left.
You can see you can make some patches on the body of the cow, like black patches, right? Yes, Palvit, very nice. Can you make some black patches on the body of the cow? They usually have some patches.
Yes,
Right.
Please post in the group. Yesterday also some children did not post their Krishna picture. Kavya, Vishnu, I didn't see your picture you draw. But today also please everybody post in the group so that we'll post it in the Facebook.
See, we all like to see your craft and drawing,
Actually, I know what a cow has, and I'm going to put that.
Okay, yeah, you can make your own tail. And Tarun, you want to show yours, Tarun?
Not finished.
Okay. Who else wants to share?
What?
Anybody else who wants to show or share before we end the class?
Mataji Balavinda wants to show.
Balavinda, you are there. I already pinned you. Yes, very nice, Palvit. Yeah. Subhadra, they cannot see unless and until you make.
Mataji, this is Balavinda.
Very good, Balavrinda. See, these are like the patches we have on the body of the cow, right? Can you see, guys, the patches, like these patches? You can make your own shape. Anybody else? Kushita, Madhav, Gorangi.
Leg color చేయి బృందా, leg black.
This is going to be the one of the cow, like the baby cow. The baby cow is going to drink the milk from this.
Where are you, Brinda? I cannot see you. Okay, where? Okay. Can you show me? Where is your cow, Brinda? I want to see your cow. Okay, make the legs. Make the legs of the cow. And color, see if you put the white inside the eye, you have to make a black dot. Otherwise, you cannot see the eye of the cow, right?
I'll make it more lighter. My crayon.
Oh, very nice, Gorangi. That is so wonderful.
Spotlight कर दिया माताजी. Sure.
What do you want to call your cow? What do you want to call your cow?
What is the name of the cow?
What name do you want to give?
Sure.
Nandu.
All like this.
Nandu.
All like this. Yes, like this.
And, oh, very nice. Please post it in the group. Okay?
Thank
Thank you for sharing and doing that. So nice.
बोल जल्दी बोल.
Mataji, look at my cow.
Say Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, look at my cow.
Who is that? Who is that?
Risha. Say your name.
My name is Risha.
Risha. Okay, but your name, okay, by the name. Oh, wow. That is
Mataji,
so
I'm done with my
very
cow.
nice. Very nice.
I'm done
What do
with
you
my
want to call your cow? What do
This
you want
is
to call?
Janavi, and I'm done with my cow.
Where are you, Janavi?
Cow Priya.
We have to end the class. Okay. Oh, very nice.
Her name is Hamsini.
Very good. Okay. Tushita, let's just. Chandra.
This is mine.
Yes. Yes, I saw. Okay. We will now say Kribhyascha, okay? And then all of you please post it in the group. Let us all end the class here.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Bye. Bye, Mataji.